Hi guys, it's me, Lee, with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and today is another card that we're making. And we are using the Anna Griffin Empress Gild, and we're also using her Empress Elite or her Empress. You notice that I have the silicone mat on top. We use it with our magnetic tweezers for the dies, but I like putting it on top because it keeps the heat in, and I want to disperse it all the way to the edges. I have this on for 6 minutes because we are using a 3D large die, and yet last week's die didn't go all the way to the edges. Let me see if I can show you. So I didn't have it on hot enough, so you can see right here it didn't go all the way to the edges. It's because I didn't have this hot enough or long enough. So we are using the Floral Lattice. This is what it will look like, or this is what her examples look like. And I am using Anna Griffin Perfect Palette Antique foils. And so also I have noticed that because I'm putting this silicone on here, my plate is not warping when we're using it. Someone had said their plate was a little warpy. I don't know if it's because they were using it a lot or what, but I'm talking about this plate right here. It's not warping. You can see where a little bit of words are on there, but it's not warping. But she said that she put something heavy on it like that. This is pretty heavy, and you could do that while you're using it, or maybe even after you put it up, and just keep something heavy on it so that it will flatten back out. I'm not having that problem, but I've only used this maybe 25 times, so I'm not having that problem. So we have 45 seconds, and we will run it through, and I will show you, since it's a die, how you get it cut. Okay? And then I'll come back and I will make a card and show you the finished product. I'm going to have to pause my camera or just make a whole new video and put it back together. So yeah, so let's hope that adding an extra minute, 6 minutes instead of 5, and it's low, medium, and high. I have it on high. So let's see if an extra minute helps. So we are doing this series once a week. I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you're learning. I hope you're tagging, sharing. Okay, so let's take this off and let's hold it like this. Let's put it through the machine. I was trying to fit both machines here, and it was just too crowded. It wiggled when it went through, so let's see how that, I saw it wiggle at the end. So we're going to take that off. We're going to take my 3 plates. These plates right here, they look a little rough to you. They are like 7 or 8 years old. So there's just the clear plate, the magnetic, the metal shim, then the magnetic, and I replace these. Only these, and this right here is almost a year old. And then we're going to put it down, and it picks everything up. It's like an upside down cake. Then we're going to put the other plastic on it, and now we're just going to run it through and see how it turns out. It was 7 minutes. I said 6. We don't need it that long. We're going to reset that in a minute. Well, we're going to find out if it even works. I don't think we ever need to go higher than that. So it's not hot now. Let's take this off. Let's peel this off. Whoa, gold and the magenta style pink, and oh, is it pretty. Look at that. It looks like it went to the edges to me. Wow. I don't know, you can feel it even. Wow, is that not so, it reminds me of like jasmine in a flying carpet. That is so pretty. I can't wait to make a card and put a sentiment and everything. Is that not beautiful? Wow, so we did 7 minutes. So maybe her dies need to be 7 minutes so it goes all the way to the edges. And that's okay. We only added 2 minutes and it's got a timer. We clean, we enjoy, and we craft. All right, the next video will show a card. Have a blessed day.